The big fillip, the big boost that has come in for the rural economy. The government has walked the talk with respect to the MSP policy. They have gone ahead and has hiked. They've given the highest ever hike with respect to a lot of kharif crops for the season 2018. There is going to be a cabinet briefing at 1:30. We will be keeping you abreast of the developments from there. But let me go across to my colleague Parisha Tyagi. She's been on top of all the developments from there. Parisha, you were the first one to put out all the details. This is the highest ever MSP that we are talking about. Tell us, what is the crop-wise breakup looking like, and how soon can the government look at the implementation now?
Hi Ruchi, the breakup was at record levels for some crop. Like for ragi, the increase proposed by the CACP was at 1,000 rupees per 100 kg. Even for pulses like moong, the hike was as sharp as 1,400 rupees per 100 kg. For other pulses like urad and tur, the proposed quantum was mild as compared to other crops, because their previous MSP was already at the level of 1.5 times the support price. The government had proposed tur MSP at 5,675, which was 225 rupees higher than previous year, and urad MSP was recommended to be raised by 200 rupees. For paddy, which is one of the most crucial crops for kharif season, the MSP hike was proposed at around 200 rupees.
And that's exactly what we probably are going to hear from the cabinet also. As we've been saying, the cabinet briefing is going to be held at about 1:30. That's when we will really get the key breakup of a lot of crops. But one thing is very clear: this was given and a go ahead in a bid to push the rural economy, in a bid to also woo a lot of farmers.
Ruchi, I just wanted to tell you that we have an update over here. Which is that the paddy prices has been hiked by 250 rupees. I think Parisha was telling you that 200, 220 was what the expectation was. And the 2017 CACP data of MSP shows 1550 as the quintal price. So it comes in to be around 16% on a gross basis. Can you just take a reaction? 250 is the increase, and 1550 was the previous price per quintal. So which means around 1800 is the new quintal price for paddy.
250 rupees per quintal is what we're given to understand right now. We will of course wait to hear from the government on this, but as we have been saying, this is going to give a big push to rural economy. Let me take it across to Parisha. Parisha, the timing of this move is very crucial. Yesterday the Prime Minister also held a meeting with a lot of people from the agriculture sector, a lot of stakeholders including Niti Aayog. What were the key issues, what were the key challenges that are now going to be before they finally implement this?
Coming to your first question, the timing is crucial, of course, because the kharif sowing is underway, and this is also the peak time of monsoon season. So yes, the government should have announced it already, because it will provide a boost to the kharif sowing. And regarding the meeting that happened yesterday, so we should not forget that declaring MSP is not the only solution. Ensuring procurement is what the major step should be. So government held a meeting with members from Niti Aayog and Farm Ministry to ask about, to take a stock of what the proposed mechanism for procurement be. Remember, the Farm Ministry and Niti Aayog together had worked to devise a mechanism called Price Deficit Scheme and Market Assurance Scheme. So the Prime Minister just wanted to know how effective they are going to be. So we are hoping that the government will also come out with a mechanism regarding the same.